What is ontology? Ontology is the philosophical study of being or existence, exploring questions about what exists, what is real, and how entities relate. It delves into concepts like substance, essence, and existence, and has applications in fields like physics and artificial intelligence. Ontological debates include topics like universals, mind-matter relationship, and abstract entities. It has been studied by philosophers for centuries, with contributions from prominent thinkers. Ontology challenges our understanding of reality and remains a fascinating topic of philosophical inquiry today.